everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are actually making our very first Dreamcatcher that we made for a person that's pretty much been with us this whole 3D printing journey of ours. So come along with me for the full build and the final result and seeing all the struggles along the way. Starting off with designing a snap-together ring in 4 parts and creating lines for divots to help hold the string in place. Then select all sides on one piece and fillet so it's still printable but no sharp edges. No need to do this to all the pieces, just delete the other 3 and radial array the one piece. After the design was done, we broke it up into 4 parts since we don't have a multiple filament printer yet, so we could print each part of the medicine wheel, black, white, red, and yellow. Each piece took about 13 minutes to print, and once the printing was done, we snapped each piece together to form the ring to create the web. I used hemp string for the web, starting off strong, wrapping around the notches, pulling it through, and keeping it tight. After the first rotation, I realized the big ball of string wouldn't work to finish the rest. So gauging how much more would be needed, I cut the string and continued. When incorporating the beads is when the struggles of keeping them in place and the string tight began. Persistence is key when making your first Dreamcatcher. So I went to every other section and continued on with the rotation of loops and black, white, red, and yellow beads to finish off the Dreamcatcher web. It actually didn't turn out too bad. Now to add the final touches of some feathers, beads, and something to hang it with, and give it to our friend. So the person we gave it to actually really liked the gift. And come to find out, he never actually made one either, which made the appreciation for it even more just for me trying my best. Through all the frustration and struggles during the process, I'm still pretty happy with how it turned out. So what do you think? And also, if you have any tips or tricks on how to make it better, let me know in the comments and I'll give it a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.